This is a 2019 Infiniti Q50, and I'm going to show you the heating and cooling controls on this vehicle. All right, we're going to start off right here. Right here is the temperature. All right, temperature for heating it up, turning the temperature up, get it a little hot in here, cooling it down right there. All right, you also have the auto mode. This auto feature right here is pretty cool. You can see it's setting the tone in here. All right, I'm going to go back here, and then there is the fan speed. You can control the fan speed right there. It's pretty nice. All right, and then right here is the direction. You can have it blowing at your face or at your feet. And I'm gonna go over here. This turns it on and off. Just turn it off. I'm gonna turn it back on just like that. Okay, and then right here is for the rear defroster. It defrosts the rear window. All right, pretty cool. Now the front window defrost is right here. If I press that, it will defrost the front windshield. All right, up here recirculates the air in the vehicle, and right over here is also the temperature control for the passenger side. Let me know if you have any questions. Thanks a lot for watching.